absolutely love it when I know that I've made a diagnosis that helped the veterinarians in guiding their treatment, and we've saved an animal and helped it to survive and live a long and happy life at Busch Gardens. My name is Nancy Stedman. I am a zoo veterinary pathologist. I work for Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida.
Yeah, so Kuji's been doing well since the surgery.
I am so glad to hear that. To become a zoo pathologist, after high school, you'll need to go to college to complete your undergraduate degree. After that, you need to apply to vet school. And after I completed my residency and my PhD in pathology, I had to sit for board exams. Most specialties, you need to become board certified in that specialty. I absolutely love my job. I love it when I know that I've made a diagnosis and we've saved an animal and helped it live a long and happy life.